Good morning to all. Today we are going to see advertisement. It is one of the writing skills. Let us see the advertisement. First, what is advertisement? Advertisement is an audio or visual form of marketing communication to promote or sell a product, service, or an idea. Okay, this is the advertisement. See, when we are writing or when we draw the advertisement, here are some points to remember. First, I want to let you know about the advertisement. See, there are certain ratio of pictures and writings here to draw the advertisement. I want to let you know here three things about the advertisement related writing. The first thing is advertisement ad. This, and the second one poster. The third one is pamphlet. These three things are the same things to market communication to promote or sell a product, service, or an idea. These three things under the same categories the advertisement. The first thing, advertisement, it should be 25% of pictures and 75% of writing. And the second thing, poster, it should be 75% of picture and 25% of writing. And the third thing, pamphlet, it is 50% of pictures and 50% of writing should be there. Okay. Yes. Let us see the next point. When we draw the advertisement, we have to be very careful under these writing skills. The second thing, the advertisement should be boxed, isn't it? The border should be there. We have to draw a border with address box. It should be a separate box for address, like this. Here I have drawn an advertisement box. Here there is a line with border, separate box for address. The second thing, third one is the phrases may be in different fonts, isn't it? The phrases, they will give us some clue points, the phrases, isn't it, in the question format. So we have to write the phrases in various font and various sizes and in various places of this place. And the next one, the advertisement should be pictures. The pictures should be related to the given question. Okay, the pictures should be related to the given questions. And the free, offer, sale, discount should be bold letters. All these things should be in bold letters, and the offers and the free discounts etc. will be highlighted, isn't it? We may do some some decorations like these, or some decorations like this. Okay, dear students, here is a question to draw an advertisement. I have a question written here. See, what is this? The question is mobile galaxy, smartphones, accessories, SIM cards, recharge, free power banks on mobile purchase. Number 1, Tollgate, Trichy. This is the points they have given us to draw the advertisement. Okay, now let us see how we have to draw an advertisement, isn't it? First, we have to remember the title should be, what is this? The title should be written. What are those? Here the title is Mobile Galaxy. Mobile Galaxy. It is the name of the product. I mean, this is the advertisement. Title of the advertisement. What is this? Mobile Galaxy. This is Mobile Galaxy. And we have to write the given phrases. We have to write the given phrases like the smartphones, accessories, SIM cards, recharge, free power banks, and mobile purchase. These should be how it is. We may write this in point wise like this. What are those? First one, smartphones. Smartphones. And then what is this? Accessories. 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 And then what is that? SIM cards. SIMCARDS. SIM cards. And then recharge. 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 And the next one, the free power banks. Here free power banks should be, what is this? We have to be highlighted somewhat, isn't it? What is that? Free power banks. POWERBANKS. Banks on, what is that? Mobile purchase. MOBILE purchase. 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 This should be highlighted. How it should be highlighted? It should be highlighted that like this box or something different, various decorations. You may select whatever you want. Okay. And then next, what is that next? We have to draw the picture related to the, what is that? Advertisement, isn't it? What is those? The picture, like we have draw, you can draw the pictures as much as you can, very beautiful, or minimum 3 pictures should be there. Okay, that is very, very important. So minimum 3 pictures should be there. This should be. And what is that? With this mobile purchase, what is that free? The power banks, isn't it? The power bank is free. So we have to draw like this pictures. You can write the picture, what is that, as much as you can, beautiful, but you do not waste your time by doing decoration on this part only. Okay, what is that? Here is a recharge. This is the recharge pin, and this is the power bank. Like this we can use it. So be careful when you draw the pictures. And what are those? SIM cards, isn't it? What are those? SIM cards. The SIM card position, how it should be? It should be something crossed like this, and then it should be like this is a SIM card. And what is this? And headphone, isn't it? Something you have drawn like this headphone. Like this you can draw. Related to the cell phone pictures, you can draw whatever you like, isn't it? This is. And then stick, and then the purchase mobile cover, isn't it? Mobile cover with what is pictures like stars, like what you want with related pictures. And the charger pin, like these pictures you can draw. Okay, and then next thing, here is the box of address, isn't it? This is the address box, and this address box you have to write the address which is given in the question paper. Sometime if they didn't give, if they fail to give the question, you have to write what is that, this address. Sometimes if they fail to give the address, you may write a false address. Okay, and one more thing, in the address box sometimes they may give the venue. Venue is the place where, a temporary place where the advertisement places will be stay for a while, for a few days or whatever it is. Okay, what is the address here they have given us? They have given us, what is that, number 1 toll gate Trichy. So you have to write the address in this separate box for the allotted to the address. Okay, what is that? Number 1 toll gate, number 1 toll gate Trichy, Trichy, Trichy. That's it. If you want XXX city, like you can write this. And one more thing, in this advertisement you have to write a catchy slogan. Name a brand, we have got it, isn't it? We have got it. Name a brand, we have got it. This, like this, or something catchy slogans. Come with money, go with many, isn't it? Come with money, go with many. So like this catchy slogans you can write. Okay, so dear students, this is the address advertisement, and you have to write like this way, and you do not use like this color pens at all. Better you use pencils only, black pencil, is a carbon pencil, to draw the pictures and to writings. Thank you so much.